Well, guys, we lied. This was supposed to be a hood stack video. The Cummins is back on the channel, but we said the next video would be a hood stack. Well, what's next for the truck?
Probably the exhaust and have a nice hood stack.
So hood stack's next?
Yes, hood stack.
So the next video you'll see with this truck will be the hood stack, is what you're saying?
Yes.
Sorry, we didn't make it that far yet, but we are doing mods today.
We lied, sorry guys. That's soon though.
Yeah, soon. We have to do some mods before doing the hood stack. The hood stack's still coming. He just has to get one custom made because he can't order them anymore because reasons. So if you don't remember, all the mods done to this truck, I'll let the owner here, Evan, go over some of them.
So some of the things we did already, we had this paint match, custom headlights, we changed the grille, paint matched the bumper, changed some of the emblems and the badges. The tow mirrors were also paint matched. Switchback signals, American Forces, 22x14, tail lights, painted black, roll pan on the back. Yeah, that's it for now.
There's just a whole bunch of aesthetic stuff for the time being.
Yeah.
And now we're getting a little more performance oriented.
Yes.
So the mods today are EZ Lynk setup, which none of us have ever installed before, so we don't really know what we're doing. Some kind of bypass Jonesy, a 5-position switch. I don't really know, so we'll just kind of wing it. I don't know what this is. Cummins cable, undetermined. Poor instructions. And we got an intake. What intake is this?
S&B.
So intake to replace, some tuning to do. That's what's in store today. Let's get started. So we're gonna start with this Cummins bypass cable. I don't really know. Do you really know what the point of it is?
No.
Okay, we're just gonna figure it out. We gotta switch some OBD2 cable wires around and do something. I don't know. Wish us luck, because we need it. Gotta remove the OBD2 port first.
I'm stuck here. I don't know what to do.
Replace the yellow and tan with brown and yellow. What colors do you call these? Brown and yellow?
Yeah, brown and yellow.
Okay, so that's it. Pull those two pins out. We're gonna replace them with these, and then you hook this up to an area above the parking brake, which we haven't looked at yet, but let's get that done. One thing at a time.
Roger, they're in.
It's the headlamp that helps.
We'll just wait.
All right, all that's installed. Got this little pin connector in there, swap those. Now go grab your EZ Lynk and let's see if it works. There's seriously like no instructions with this other than this bypass cable.
Please make sure the key is turned on. This might be easier than we thought.
Stop it, stop it, stop it. Describe your vehicle if you haven't modified it, or simply put stock in notes. We are connected, boys. All right, time to install this intake. We're waiting for EZ Lynk and all that good stuff to go, but that is working. We just have to work on getting the tunes and everything from the cloud. So for now, let's
get into it.
Let's get this intake out of here.
Evan again, prize on the paint. Hey Sean,
Sean, your paint is junk. It peeled off whenever I used a metal tool against it. Oh, sweet.
we're getting busy now, boy. Maybe we will be able to hear the turbo.
You could hear it if you started it right now.
Should we do it?
That's just a little bigger than the one in the Colorado. Just a tiny bit.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's drop her in.
There we go.
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, we're off now.
That's fine. That can go right there. Focus on the turbo right now.
Here, hang on. I need my step. You got it?
Of course it does.
Let go.
Nice. Looks good. OEM like? I would say start it up, but we still have tuning to do.
Yes.
So let's do that. Don't start it. Don't start it. No starting yet. Tune. Now it's time to tune. We figured out where this Cummins power cable went, which is kind of weird. I don't really understand the point of it. But anyway, that's plugged in, so you only need it temporarily in. And now it's time to do the actual EZ linking, I think. Install? Sure.
Place ignition in on run position without cranking the engine.
Oh, there it was doing stuff. Yeah. Look at the gauges moving around.
Are they moving? Yep.
Blind spot alert. Service airbag.
Installing 1%.
How do you feel, sir? 2%. Oh my goodness gracious. We'll check back when this is loaded in.
Oh,
that's clean.
Clean windows.
That's clean. So this is the little hole that you can plug, I guess for noise. I don't know why you would do that. I mean, clearly we left it open. So we'll see how it sounds shortly. What's the percentage at? 98%. It's go time. Success.
Success.
Let's go, it says. Everything looks all right. This is your truck, Wade. You follow it up, bro.
Engine light is on.
Well, that's because it's not running. Because you're in accessory mode.
Should I do it?
Yeah,
Ready?
start it up. We get to see if the tune works. We get to see if
I'm afraid.
the intake makes noises.
I'm afraid.
Hey, it started. Well, the tune works. We don't know if it's fast or anything, but it works. I don't sound a little louder. Does it? I don't know. Do you want me to rev it for you? I'll give it a little rev.
It sounds different.
When you drive it, I think you'll hear some turbo noises. It's under load because it'll actually make boost.
I think so. It does sound a little different though.
All right, we're gonna mount the EZ Lynk so he can just run it all the time to your phone. So kick panel's out of the way. Find a good spot up under here. Yes, ma'am. There's a big learning curve, but you know.
What do you do? What exactly did you do?
We put a program on it, so now it runs at a higher horse.
Do you have like a thing in there that monitors, like it'll tell you different things as?
My gauges.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all on my phone now.
No.
Get it for a test drive. And
Well, how do you feel? It's done. Intake is on. EZ Lynk installed. Tune installed. Now,
I'm pumped.
tell them what's actually next.
All right, guys. No more bull crapping. Next is the stack.
So the next video you'll see with this truck will be the hood stack, is what you're saying.
Yes. That's
real.
what we're doing. For real.
And you got to get it custom made. Because you tried to order one, didn't you? They made a hood stack for the factory turbo, and then they said you couldn't get it anymore.
Yeah, I believe it was for the factory turbo, and now the company only was saying that they can make one for an aftermarket turbo. So
Yeah, so that's how.
yeah.
Now I keep lying, because I said next time I work on the Colorado, I'm going to wrap it. And then wrap it. They sent me the wrong one twice, and now it's backwards, so sorry about that. I don't know.
We're liars.
I'm sorry to lie, but the next time you see this will be hood stack and then airbags. All four corners and shocks. Airbags and shocks all four corners.
Yeah.
Those are two big time videos.
I'm excited.
You should be.
My bank account is not.
Under. Hey, you bought a diesel truck. You know, it is what it is. That's what happened. So you spend $60K on a truck, you gotta spend another 20 in parts. We'll have to check back in and get a review. We can't get a test drive in today because we have to do more performance-oriented removal stuff before we get a full test drive of this with the tune. You'll see that later.
And emissions are still on.
Look.
Just to confirm.
This is still completely stock.
Still
Exhaust.
stop.
Stock exhaust is still all on there. Thanks, my Ram viewers, for tuning in.
Yes, all of them. All of them.
All 20 of them. Thanks, guys, for watching. We'll see you next time.